This video chart presentation is Semafo Inc. It's a Toronto Stock Exchange listed company trading our ticker SMF. It's our technical stock to watch on Wednesday. See the chart's making a real nice move off the bottom, making this move upwards, climbing above some short-term moving averages, but it's coming up to meet some resistance right around $3.35. Then some more top-end resistance in the channel that it was stuck in around $3.50. This is pretty common for a chart when it breaks through a channel to try and make a move back upward and challenge the underneath side of that channel again. This was a little bit deeper of a dip than normal. But once again, that pattern is repeating itself, for the chart trying to come back up and challenge that old support level, which is now resistance. I see right off the MACD histogram bars have pushed back through zero. That tells me a bullish cross just happened with the 12 passing back to the 26 EMA. Again, that's early on, but that's a sign of a trend shift happening. Now all I can look for is the trend to try and continue upward and break back through zero to show that the trend's truly going bullish. Similar to through here, this is a real nice look. And when that MACD started approaching zero and getting very close to it, right through this area, it was a point where you need to be looking for the chart to make a stronger move one direction or the other. The Bollinger Bands had tightened up, the MACD had climbed back towards zero. Now it never tells you which direction it's going to go, but it does say to start taking a look at it a little bit more closely. And in this case, MACD couldn't break through zero. A downtrend happened, price per share fell off. Now it's looking for a reversal in the matter. Slow Stow has climbed back over 50, indicating that bullish momentum is coming into the play. Money flow index trending back towards 50 as well. I always look for that money flow to break through 50, start trending on the upper half of the indicator to indicate that people are paying higher prices for the stock over average periods. The RSI 14 now registering 54. Nice little uptrend leading into it. And now what I look for is that 14 to hold over top of 50 to show that bullish momentum is being sustained in the play. Just of note, you can see going back over the course of this chart about 6 months, RSI had a very difficult time holding above 50. Only a few breaks here and there to even move above it. And what that tells me is that bullish momentum never got really strong in this chart. Of course, if it would have broke to the upside, broke through the resistance, we probably would have seen the RSI well over top of 50, showing that momentum was strong. So I could identify some bottom support down here, right around 225 or so. But what I'd be looking for in this chart is to hold over top of this 20-day EMA, this purple line, because there's a little bit of static support there as well. Even if it wants to trend sideways right through here, it's not that big of a deal. But holding that higher low is important, and holding over top of those moving averages is very important also. Now, as I mentioned, I'd look for resistance to be pretty strong, not too far ahead here, because that was a very strong area of support. I'd also look for resistance to come in just above 350, the top side of that channel. Now, beyond that, it will meet some more, around $4, which was an old historic support point. But that's an awful big climb from where it is, from $2.94 currently, up to $4, more than 30%. I just want to identify some farther off resistance. Right now this chart popped up because I'm making the move off the bottom. I'd have my eyes set on holding a new high or low and see how it reacts if it can challenge these resistance points. Plenty of volume in this play, over 2 million shares traded. Liquidity is not an issue, so it's one to keep an eye on going forward to see how it performs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the SMF chart. I'm not a financial consultant. I strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allplainstocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Plain Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.